In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your NordVPN account safely with family and trusted devices. If you're looking to let loved ones benefit from your VPN protection, there are 3 practical ways to do it responsibly. Remember, one NordVPN account supports up to 10 devices online at the same time, so you have room for a family's phones, laptops, and tablets. That said, always share only with people you trust and follow the service's terms. The simplest option is sharing your login details, but do this with caution. Only share with trusted family members and protect the account with two-factor authentication so that a one-time code is required at sign-in. Avoid sending the password over plain text or unencrypted messages. A safer approach is to use a reputable password manager that lets you share access without revealing the actual password. If someone no longer needs access, change the password and review active sessions in your account dashboard to sign out devices you don't recognize. A more secure and flexible route is using MeshNet, NordVPN's device linking feature. MeshNet lets you connect devices to each other through encrypted tunnels without handing over your account credentials. To set it up, both sides should have the NordVPN app installed. Open the app, find the MeshNet section, turn it on, and send an invitation to your trusted person. Once they accept, their device appears in your MeshNet list, and you can manage permissions or revoke access at any time. This is ideal if you want to route traffic securely between devices or share access in a controlled way, and it keeps your main password completely private. Finally, you can set up your computer as a hotspot so other devices connect through your VPN-protected internet. First, connect your computer to a VPN server in the NordVPN app. Then enable your operating system's hotspot feature and choose a strong Wi-Fi password. Once it's on, other devices can join that hotspot and automatically benefit from the VPN connection on your computer. This is handy for guests or devices that can't run the VPN app directly. Keep in mind that all traffic routes through your computer, so performance depends on your machine and connection. And it typically counts as a single VPN connection from NordVPN's perspective. To wrap up, you can share login details carefully, link devices securely with MeshNet, or broadcast a VPN-protected hotspot from your computer. Stay within the 10-device limit, share only with people you trust, and regularly review your account security. If access ever changes, update the password and remove old MeshNet links.